Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is our Jamaica vacation, Negril day 4, and this is a day that we received absolutely terrible news. We had most of the day on the beach, and then I received a call from my mother. So we had a good morning though. We had a great breakfast by the ocean, and then we saw these little fish as we were walking. Not sure what kind they were, but they were super cool little fish. We did take one of these little yellow boats out, and we went up and down the beach and had a great time doing that. It was so warm, and it was kind of partially cloudy, so it wasn't terribly hot, and it was just such a very calm, great day on the beach. We did just enjoy watching the motor sports as they were doing those, and we really were just doing a lot of relaxing and watching the birds dive into the ocean for fish. That is like something I love to do at the beach. I'm not sure about y'all, but I think it's so cool to watch them go up and then just like dive in. So back home in North Carolina, it was about 20 degrees that morning, and then it was like only in the 40s, I think, that day, and we were enjoying 80-degree weather. So we had to rub it in a little bit on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so at Litter of 7 Living for the Lord. The same is on here, but it was kind of funny because we were enjoying the 80-degree weather. And these sailboats are absolutely so fun to do. We took that out and had a great time, learned how to do it really well. And as you can see, the storms were starting to roll in. And this float out here that you can go and lay on in the water, this bird dove right beside of it. And then he just sat there and ate his food. It was pretty cool. So this is when I got the call from my mother saying that my cousin Ethan had a terrible accident at work and was being lifted to Charlotte Medical Center, and that he was in really bad shape and that he was fighting for his life. And so we really just started praying and praying hard for my cousin Ethan. We went to dinner that night, and we had some great food, some shrimp and some crab cake. I think this was the best crab cake I had ever had. I actually thought about asking for extra. Then we had some pineapple upside down cake, and then we just stared at the moon and just enjoyed the moon that night, and continued to pray for Ethan as he was fighting for his life.